Right here right now I've successfully deployed it on my own wallet. All right, so I've successfully deployed the layer edge node controller. So right now, what do you do from here? So over here right now, you can see that this has actually verified that I am an OG. Okay, so it has verified that I am an OG, and right now I'm going to be earning 3 points for this. So once I've gotten to this point, the next thing is for you to actually get your code. All right, so for you to actually get your code and then put it right here. So you click on this plus sign, then you put the code right here. All right, so right now, going back right now to this verifier. So in case for those of you who doesn't understand what I'm doing, so I've recently made a video about how you can be able to go around all this, but I was not able to pass this phase. Okay, I was not able to pass this phase because of some network congestion issue and all that. So but right now I've been able to pass it, so I need to put you guys through so that you guys will understand. So over here right now, what you need to do is simply click over here on get public key. You click on it, and right now guys, your key is going to be copied successfully. So once your keys have copied successfully, then you head back to the layer edge dashboard, and over here you click on this plus sign. Then you need to input those keys right here. Okay, after that, immediately you can see that your CLI based node will be up and running, and you are earning massively for this. All right, just today and just right now, this is what I have been able to earn. So from here right now, what you need to do is simply go ahead and click over here on this trail line, then you go to task right now. So coming over here right now to the task section, just allow it to open up right now. Coming over here to task, you need to scroll down over here and you need to click on verify CLI Lite client. You click on it. So popping up a MetaMask transaction, you need to go ahead and of course confirm it to sign the signature. This is going to be loading up and you may likely get an error message. All right, so but if you get an error message, do not panic. That is because a lot of people are actually trying this at the same time. So once you have gotten to this point, congratulations. All you need to do, you can see right now, please connect with CLI nodes. Okay, you can see it will ask you to connect again even when we have connected. So what you need to note right here is that this is becoming so glitchy. Currently it is too glitchy. All right, but do not panic because we have from now till the 25th of March before all this ends. All right, so over here guys, you can see this is what you might encounter at your own end, but once you have gotten to this point where your CLI based node is already counting, then you are actually on the right track. All right, so let me go back and try it again one more time to see if I'm going to be able to succeed this time. So but if I get an error message again, then I will have to leave it and try again after some couple of time. All right, so I'll click on verify CLI node one more time. Okay, just allow it to load up and open up, and let's see what we are going to be having from here. You click on confirm. Okay, clicking on confirm right now, it will start loading again. All right, so you start loading again and we may likely get an error message again. All right, that is because it is too glitchy, just like I have already said earlier. Okay, you can see we still have an error message occur right here. Do not panic, just have patience and try again after a couple of time. All right, so that is how simple it is, and this is all you need to do right now to position yourself very well for the LayerEdge airdrop. So this is going to be very massive. Do well to put on enough time onto this and pay attention to it and make sure you succeed at your own end, because if you didn't succeed on this could be a qualifier or eligibility criteria for this airdrop. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and let me know where you are facing problem on the comment section. Thank you, and I'll talk to you very soon.